Mama, say hello.
Hello.
That's my mama. Anyway, guys, good morning. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog. Actually, it's emotional videos. So today, it's a bright morning, and I wanna leave home right now as I speak here. So I'm going to visit one of my grandma, and it's a long distance from here up to my grandma home, of which recently time I went there with Dave Jr. and also Congrats Dad. So guys, thank you so much for watching these videos, and give a like. In case you're new here, subscribe. So that being said, right now I'm heading. So man, let's see whether my mama tied the cow, and then I'll let you know what's going on. I'm telling you guys, I say one day I could pay a visitor to my grandma, and I'll make a shopping for her. So it depends. The small amount that I have on my pocket, let's support my grandma, of which on my for my entire family I support people here, like in terms of food here and there. So today, let's do it. I'm heading right there to see my mama and tell her what's going on. Oh my god. Even I will make sure when it's possible, I'll pass to Dave Jr. I'll tell him I'm going to visit my grandma at Kisi. It's far away, so I want to make little shopping for her, because I'm not that much capable of money, but the small that I have, let's share with my grandma. So wow, this is a beautiful day like this, going to visit my grandma, my grandmother to my mama. Try to imagine mother to my mama. Why not tell the baby official? Let's go. Hey, mama pulling the cow. Oh my god. Guys, if you're watching this video, kindly give a like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So soon I wanna traveling soon. Wow. So mom, leo naenda kutembelea huko. Right now, as I speak here, I'm going to visit your mom, which is my grandma, and then I'm going to make a little shopping for her. Shopping kidogo nimpeleke. Yeah. So the way I support people in my extended family, let's support my grandma, you know. So I'm doing it free from my heart. Nobody tell me, hello baby, do it for your grandma. I'm doing it free from my heart. And right now, mama, something that I have, let's share with my grandma. Kile kidogo ninacho, moja nishe na yeye. Japokuwa nimesikia ni mgonjwa. Yeah. So guys, I had to rush. At the same time, I had my mama, the message from my mama, my grandma. She was totally sick, and I was planning this week to visit her, but because of those that incident, let's go. So I'm going to Border Town, making shopping right now. Maybe nimle sabuni, mafuta, sukari, nyingine. Labda na mchele, kilo 5. Okay, twende. Oh guys, I'm telling my mama, like I'm going to make shopping for my grandma $30. It can maybe enough for her, because I don't have that much, maybe like to make a shopping for $100. No, I can make shopping even for $20, $15. It depends on my pocket. Wow, you see how my mama working so hard, tightening the cow. Hey, also mama, nitapita pale kwa Devi, nimwambie naenda kama nitampata. Guys, I'm telling my mama I'll pass to the business construction. When I found him, I'll let him to know I'm heading to my grandma right now. Even it's possible, mama, I can go to the Virginia's home. Tell him. I'll let him to know. Wow. That's my mama working, like, you know, straightening the cow. Why I come over here to help? Hey, African mom to the world with African kitenke. Hey, you know the cow like it's rotating here. Ooh wee. Wow. What they meant que entrate medio tokumaten han. There is our cow you can touch and not aggressive. You see, you wanna touch it. So guys, I hope you are ready for this journey. From here, I'm passing to Nyabohanse to confirm whether I can get Dave Jr. Also, when I didn't get him on his construction, I was heading to his home to let him to know I'm heading to greet my grandma. I'm telling you. So guys, thank you so much for the love and support. Thank you so much for watching my video every day. And in case you're new here for the first time, subscribe. I need your support by subscribing, like, comment, and also share. So today I supposed to analyze the issue of my project, but probably let's go and visit my grandma. So mama, nitakuleta ripoti baadaye. You know, so I'm telling my mama I'll bring your feedback after visiting my grandma. So right now I'm going to take my bike or my baby outside and then helmet to drive. Even guys, I haven't taken anything, so it's quite early morning and I need to rush up, you know. So I rush out, man. I rush out. To be honest, this week I was planning to go and visit my grandma. So because of the issues I was being here, right, Rift Center, and you know, like yesterday we went to Brother Dagi, and then we bring the burial body at his home for his grandpa. And then I was tired, man, shooting the videos around my home with one of upcoming YouTuber. And then, you know what, because of time I rushed to the funeral, and then I came back. It's so late. I upload the video so late, but because of time, and maybe tomorrow you wanna see my brother from another mother came here to shoot the videos. You will see him tomorrow's video. So, and guys, before that, thank you so much for the love and support. I really bought these bricks, mom, whatever. Thank you so much. And guys, we need more bricks. Like when I have 2,500, it can finish up the house for my mom. And I'll let you know about the issues or conflict that are going through my other project. And I stop right now. So this one here, no complicated issues, no conflicts, no chaos here. I bought from Nairobi. And then imagine guys, at this moment we need 2,500. It can finish my mama 3-bedroom, and it's large. Even I can build 4-bedroom, you know, as long as I have material on the ground. Let's see guys. If you're watching this video for the first time, see how I was struggling so hard to chase my dream outside here. This 700, if I could have maybe 700 here, and I'm sure with you, this one goes to $500. No bargaining, no nothing, no anything. $500. That's 53,000 Kenyan shillings. All of these blocks that you see here, you know, and it's cash handed, you know, no credits. Like I didn't offer credit here. It's cash money. And to be honest, I have been supportive by one of my subscribers, made it possible. Mom, wherever you are, thank you a million. May God bless you abundant. So right here, man, right here, and we need to have 2,500 blocks. So this one is 700. So we're remaining with 1,800. If I could get, maybe when I get 2,000 brick blocks, I could start from here as I keep rolling the camera. Anyway guys, on today's video, I don't want to talk too much. I'm going to visit one of my grandma. Like what? It's my real grandma, you know. It's my mama. It's my mom. It's mother to my mom. I'm put in simple way. So soon again, you wanna see this project continue, because I support my uncle with 3 bags of cement. Imagine, all the way. So guys, I wanna take my full time, taking my baby outside, driving like crazy, and then you will see me going that way and then going to Nyabuhanse. So first, I'm going to let Dave Jr. know, because maybe if he willing to go, we can go. So because right now he has a lot of things to do, you know. He was in construction here and there, and that being said guys, construction is not easy, you know. And I know most of our subscriber, they build its home or their homes, they know how construction are hectic, how it was tough, you know. Like me, for today, I say, oh, I want to build my mom's dream house. I want to build my mom's dream house. Right now, we have stones on the ground. We have blocks. So we're remaining with 1,800 blocks. We finish up. Imagine. So I'm doing my own thing at my own pace. Like no pressure, no competition. You know, I'm just focused my own thing. Imagine, from the humble family within here, and man, by God's grace, I make it, and I have a long way to go. You know, I have a long way to go. You know, maybe this month, by God's grace, it's a blessed month. We start digging the borehole in the month of February. We have it in the month of March. We have blocks. Let's see at the end of the month of March, what do we expect to be happen, you know. So guys, me, to be honest, when I get a small amount of money, I spend in terms of building and construction. Right now I have big dream outside here to build my mom's dream house, and I supposed to work so hard, buying materials, doing this. Let me show you guys. Maybe somebody watching this video for the first time, this is what I'm calling home, and I'm trying to change my home step by step. So maybe next week, by God's grace, I want to work for the borehole. So right now, imagine guys, we have water. We have water here. Look, that's water. This is the borehole right now here that we have. So technically, that being said, in the month of let's say January, I brought stones. February, I dig the borehole. March, I brought the blocks. But right now, I want to put more effort on blocks, because to be honest, tomorrow very early in the morning, I will let you know what is going on my next project, and I stop it, and then I'm claiming on that. So tomorrow, let's get full message from the guy what's going on. But right now, let's do quick and fast, going and pay a visit to my grandma. So yesterday we were preparing the food here, and me, I'm not the lover of matoke and matumbo, you know. So we cook for my family. Actually, they eat, they enjoy, they do everything, and the food was so yummy. You see on my videos. And guys, I know for the haters, they will try to charge me on my yesterday video, but I don't want to complicate issues. The way have been supportive by Dave Jr. Let's mentor each other. Let's support each other. You know, when my heart feel like I want to support he or she, I'm do so, because most of the videos you see giving people giving people shout out there, supporting them. Why not? And maybe in future I want to see that young lady supporting their family the way I'm supporting my family, you know. So uh, right now, no time for negativity. Even I don't want to spend any single minute with negative people. Me, I'm Floyd Vibe to the end, and a day like this, man, it's a blessed day. So, oh, so a day like this, I just pull up very in the morning. You can see how uh, the village life have been maybe clear. The sky is blue in color. So right here we have the project. Through your support, guys, I built a toilet, and nothing on credit here. Nothing on credit. Like I offer credits on maybe no. This is cash, and guys, to be honest, 100%, guys, you support me a lot. Even I can't complain, you know. Through your support, I manage. And me, I'm the guy who Floyd Vibe make the videos from scratch. You see, if you don't believe, go and watch my video when I'm start digging myself this pit latrine alone, or this septic tank alone. And then the following day I put people, because first day I didn't have money. The following day I put people because I got the money, and then they dig, and then I build. Although I get some crazy comment when I'm start building this toilet, and then I said, guys, one day I'll fix ties. I get so many crazy comments, but all in well, everything shall be okay. Everything shall be okay. So this is the sandal right here. Let me tell you one thing, guys. Honest, I personally, me, I'm just support my family, because I know where I came from. I was coming in hard life, and right now when I get money, let's build things like this. Maybe for upcoming generation, they will copy what Tell Baby's doing. And when I get money, let's feed my family. For example, there's a time I was cooking. Like if you're watching my videos, you get so motivated, so emotional. And a day like this, I'm going to visit my grandma, you know. So I came to check. This toilet is purely clean. Even I can spend here 24 hours. No bad smell, because my mama take care of this structure, like cleaning, doing everything, and hygiene are very important. Oh, look how it looks like. Very clean, very. Even I can't complain anymore. Look, we do it local way. We fetch water here on this small container, and then you pour. After you finish excusing yourself, and probably God answer our prayers, you know. I was going harder, fetching water from my neighbor's borehole, bring to the toilet. A time like this, it's summer season here, and then because no water, I need to run out. Sometimes I was not be here. My mama went to the river, fetch water for the toilet. Man, let me tell you, sometimes I feel like I want to shed my tears, but I keep stand strong, you know. I said, let me start from scratch, digging the borehole. And guys, to be honest, you've been supporting me a lot, you know. I dig the borehole, we get water, and guys, you keep putting me on prayers, you know. Through your prayers, I shall win. Why not, Hello Baby? You know, sometimes you can't see men's tears, but I keep pushing myself. And guys, I will let you know that this year, the month of June, we wanna start the build. We wanna start to build my mom's house. Guys, be aware, and in case of anything, you wanna support on that, maybe watching videos. And I was buying 1 bag cement, like 2 bags, 3 bags, and when it reached maybe 70 bags of cement, in June I wanna start building. For example, 1 bag of cement goes to $10, like that way, let's spend this month. Right now we're remaining with I think with 3 months from now. We're remaining with maybe 2.5 months to start my mom's building, because I was waiting. Let me go and show you guys. I was waiting the owner to remove the maize and then cut off the trees. Let me go and show you as we keep moving on. Man, remember on today's videos, it's a surprise by itself. For the first time, surprising my real grandma. Imagine, my real grandma from my mother, like mother to my mom. So let me go and show you guys, because there's one thing that stopped. Even right now I could cut those trees, but because of time here and there, so we need to cut them. And guys, let me tell you one thing. From here up to my grandma, I can drive 2.5 good hours. 2.5 good hours. But me, I don't care. As long as I have my own bike. And a big shout out to Monkey, you made it possible. I have my own bike. Even a day like this, I could left outside. You heard the cocker making noise. Let me tell you what stopped me. Even right now, I could maybe start this, maybe removing this sand from here to revelize. But these trees are supposed to cut all down. Even I see my neighbor on the other side burning the bricks. Soon they wanna start construction. I'm not alone right now here. So guys, the reason why being these trees, when I cut them with a power saw, it will fall on this side here. And right now people plant maize. Let me show you. People plant maize. You see right here, this maize. So I don't want to affect people's maize. I will give time when it's dry season, like harvesting season. When they harvest maize, I will start cut these trees down. Anyway guys, thank you so much. We shall meet when I'm taking my bike or my baby outside, because I call my bike a baby because it takes me all the village. So guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming from here. Guys, right now the journey started. I have my baby right now here, so it's time to go home, to go and visit my grandma. Even I've already talked with my mama, so my mama, she already know where I'm heading to. In case of anything, she know where I'm heading to right now. Imagine. Oh my god. On my yesterday videos, I saw in the comment, people advised me, hello baby, never try to left your key when you get out from the motorbike. Like you lock, you get out. I appreciate for your good advice. And even one day, Jamaican uncle advised me the same thing. When you get out of your car or your motorbike, first thing is to lock and then take out the key. But sometime, oh my god. Imagine guys, a day like this, my brother and sister went to school. We left I and my mom alone home. So right now, I left home. My mama left alone at home, taking care of the cow. But as soon I'll be here. After maybe 2 to 3 hours, I'll be back home and helping my mama some activity around the home. So let's go. Oh my god. Don't mind guys, these are like for my camera in my hand. So when I'm going to the street, I do like this. Don't mind. So that's how we go. Left the village like that way. Even my grandma, she doesn't have clue what's going on. So I'm going to the Bohanse to left my power bank to be charged and then keep with my journey. Guys, be ready for this adventure to my grandma. And it's summer season. We have a lot of dust here and there on the road, but I will manage to go. I'm fully outside. Subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Guys, I'm outside. That's how we go. Oh my god. Look how people have been building, guys. Social gates, perimeter wall. Hello, maybe also one day I could do for my mama. I'm telling you. Keep going. Keep moving. Local bandas there. We keep moving on. This is a school here where my cousin, also my brother and sister learn. Kasongo! Babe, unaenda mpaka Gusuzi. Yani ukienda huko. Ila tu
ni yawe. At least tu inayo.
Stamp.
Dai kigeni.
Guys, introduce yourself.
Shikamoo.
Hello.
Hello guys, welcome back to Hello Baby YouTube channel.
Yes.
Hello Baby.
Tutautige bigin hari ngoe. Tutautige wakidiva hari. Traveling.
Isko ha.
Monta atemuki.
Anigangitika ka muntu na harari mukire gentoka. Tutai watasi kwa.
Guys, to be honest, this is my brother. Actually, he was my neighbor, and because I don't like maybe to drive while I'm filming the video on the road, guys, you take responsibility and advise me. Hello, baby. That's maybe risk your life. I don't want to risk my life, so
I'm going to ride Hello Baby today. Okay. I'm going to be motorbike rider today.
Yes, even I can. Okay.
Yeah.
Did you have your helmet or helmet? Yeah.
My helmet is here.
Hi.
Yeah.
Because right now it's dust.
Yeah.
I need to cover my hair.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow. So guys, that's the plan for today.
Yeah. So guys, keep watching. Keep watching.
Kana mkukuti review to kuma tayaga sora tamu ko har.
Na yacha tu ko. For emergency. Ama twende ni yache uko.
Hey, bwana mdogo.
Tuindenge kiko ben.
Bwana kwa nini? Mimi naenda kufanya tu kwa shopping boda nipelekeni mgonjwa. So, hey, tunapita hapa wendo. He'll be my rider for today, guys.
Hey. That's how guys, not like.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Maybe on today's videos I wanna spoil him because he take full time of me riding. Let's go. Acha. Wish. Oh my god. I'm telling you right now, it's dry season and it's dust here. You wanna park here? Nobody take my bike, you know, and then I take the key. So let's see here. Let's see him. So he went to left his bike at his uncle's place. So maybe right here. So guys, it's time to go. Oh, you need a key? Take.
It's full tank.
No. Maybe we put fuel.
We will put fuel.
Yeah.
But I think
Maybe confirm. When you start traveling, you confirm the fuel.
I think the fuel is down.
Okay, we put for $5. It's empty right now. So first, you take me to David Junior's construction. I'm going to end the car. So this is your hands. Utanipeleka kwa Devi huko kwa site kama yuko tumuone kwao.
Hello.
Hey guys.
Yes.
I'm telling him you take me to David Junior's construction or David Junior's home. I want to let him that I'm going to visit my grandma. Also, she's aunt to Dave Jr. You know, I'm telling you, we are family member. And then people came with maybe that Canadian dollar to maybe stay away from my family. So you need to have a helmet as we go. So this is your boss, so he needs to take the helmet for the security. The guy have already wear the helmet. Same hello baby. You keep moving on. I'll show you this neighbor hands to the wall. So you take me to the Junior's construction. Tuenda kwa David kwa construction. So guys, I'm not sure that I'm gonna get maybe David Junior here. Let's try my best. Let me try my best. Oh, let me try my best. Guys, let me see whether I can find David Junior. Okay, just a minute. Let's see whether I can get David Junior here or to his home. I hear you can't pass. Oh my god. Yeah. Taskirioba.
Yes.
Devi amekuja hapa.
Saizi hamjakutana? Umetokezea wapi?
Hivi.
Saizi tu.
Anaenda?
Alikuwa anaenda, nafikiri alikuwa anaenda nyumbani. Amesema acha niende nitarudi.
Okay. This is Charles Kirioba. I'm good.
This is King Charles Kirioba. 254. So we are here working at the Junior's construction. Now we are still on with trappers. You can go.
Trappers ni rahisi.
Ni rahisi. Rahisi. Ni haraka.
Okay.
Yes.
Let me greet Black Mamba. Yes. Guys, sometimes these videos it's all supportive each other. So yes.
With Black Mamba.
Leo mko wenyewe?
Others are left for first.
Okay.
Hello guys. This is a Black Mamba. Just working on the vineyard construction site. So right now this is very morning. As you can see, others are break for breakfast. But since morning we have been working on over trappers. So guys, enjoy watching our videos.
So these trappers, if somebody maybe are new, and these are trappers. This is Mabati. You can walk here.
You can walk free.
Where? These are trappers, and then you put concrete here. Na hiyo sema zimebaki, si wangenunua nini mweke? Wangenunua marine board mnachana. So not a marine board tan. Si ni F3 mnachana mnaeka. Okay, Black Mamba, you continue.
Yes.
Me, I'm going to greet my grandma in Kisi.
You are heading Kisi?
Yes, in Ndonyo hapo hivi. I'm going to
heading in Ndonyo school.
Yes, to greet sister, to congratulate dad. Yes, which is my grandma.
But I wish one day you're gonna introduce you to Continental.
I will come. You plan. Where plan? Guys, subscribe to Black Mamba.
Black Mamba, subscribe.
Yes. Hey, yo jina yako. Guys, sometimes things get out of control. Let's go.
So you are going to Kisi?
Yes, I'm going.
My homeland.
Yes, I'm going to see Dave Jr.
Okay.
There's a time I went there with Dave Jr. and congratulate dad.
So you are going with Dave Jr.?
No, I'm going to let him to know.
Okay.
I'm going to visit his aunt.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is King Charles Kirioba. That's my YouTube channel.
Okay.
You can subscribe.
Okay.
King Charles Kirioba 254.
Hey, boss said drinking.
Yes. Yes.
Ah, yeah. Charles Kirioba. See guys, how house is coming in good shape. Look. So we shall meet on the next video, guys. So guys, I'm heading to the Venus home, and after that, next step is to go to Boiler Town, making shopping. And right now, I'll put gas for $5 because no money at this moment, you know. So little that I have is to compensate, you know, to my grandma, gas. Wow. 2048 safe boda boda. Where met you know about Hungry Tiger? See the KK. I'll show you. Wow. Let's go. And the KK right there. Make sure you leave us with comments, subscribe to my channel, and also check my drive right now for today. It's Yoba_Moshi. Subscribe channel. I appreciate it, guys. I love and stuff. See guys, now I have been I'm on top of and imagine from here to Tanzania, it's just within over there. Yeah, we have a sharp corner here. Wow guys, heading to Dave Jr.'s home, or to congratulate. Whichever the case, we're just moving on. Look how people have been building, man. Look. within a short period of time, people have perimeter. Actually, this is Mama Ann's home. Boom. Okay guys, welcome. So guys, I left that guy there. So anyway guys, welcome. And that being said, I want to tell Lev Junior I'm going to visit my grandma right now. Wow. Yeah, today it's gonna rain.
Yeah, today it's gonna be raining hard here. Anyway guys, what's up? Welcome to Hello Babies YouTube channel. My name is David Junior. I'm leaving home for work, and today it seems like it's gonna be raining so hard. So what's the plan for today?
Okay, I'm going to visit my grandma at Kisi.
Oh, the one that we went to the other day?
Yes.
What's going on?
So my mama gave me some message that the call came from Kisi. So my grandma, she was feeling so sick, and let me think, maybe last week, and then this week I supposed to plan to go. Because of time here and there. Oh, when I had that message, I said, okay, let me make sure small shopping.
You know guys, the Hello Baby's grandma is the sister to my dad.
Yes.
That's how it is. So you're going to Kisi right now?
Right now.
Eh, but you'll be rained.
Okay, I will ride quick and fast. I have my rider there, so I want to film on the road.
Okay, for me, pass my regards to her.
Okay.
Probably one of these days when I have time, I'll go and say hello to her. But we wish her quick recovery.
Yes.
Yeah, and hopefully everything shall be well.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, safe journey.
Okay, thank you. Wow, let's go. Guys, we go. That's how we go. We pass on this shortcut. First thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to Tanzania to purchase the rice, and also I came in Kenya to make the shopping in supermarket a little bit. Guys, if I could have money, I could make a shopping for $100. But right now, because of money, let me make it depend on my pocket. But the minimum shopping, it's for $30 to $20. Let me say $20 to $30. That's my minimum shopping that I'm going to make for my grandma. Imagine. And guys, please, I'm not doing charity, but I keep supporting my family. So somehow my family is glad now. So imagine guys, people saying this one somebody, like it's a haters, send that Canadian dollar to stay away from the business, and me, I'll never do those kind of nonsense. That Canadian dollar, I can't even feel my bike. So we keep going this way, and that's the other side of the village. Wow. Kasong's on the motorbike.
Yeah, Kasongo. I'm driving well.
Okay, you look forward, because most of my subscribers advise me, maybe don't drive while filming, or else buy handles, press your camera. Let me tell you one thing guys, when you need maybe to do those kind of video filming, the road is I need to have 2 GoPro. For example, let me say one GoPro is missing. One face on front and one face on my face. As I talk, I use this one. So there's no need maybe to exchange. Move. With the beautiful forest right out here. And I maybe from the back. Yes. Yeah? Okay. Guys, enjoy these videos to the end. We normally pass it with them when going to border town. And oh my god, oh, now we're going to wow. So guys, stay tuned. Maybe if you're watching this video, you ask me, hello, maybe how do you manage to pass from Kenya to Tanzania? From Kenya to Tanzania. Okay, my whole going straight. So how do you manage to cross the border? Like border, and then you cross to a neighboring country. No passport, no visa, no nothing. And especially traveling East Africa, it's only needed passport. So Tanzania is one of our neighboring countries. Most of the time we make shopping there, here and there, buying food. When maybe economic maybe when it's high in Kenya, we run to Tanzania. When Tanzania is high, Tanzanian people came to Kenya purchasing things. That's how we share things, and then maybe people come in one thing, one nation, one planet, one system to promote the standard of living of our day. So right now, we keep moving on. We keep moving on. At all. Wow. So keep moving. Passing here. Baka tu here, Let's go home. It's the other part of the border. I think today's a market today, or not yet. I see a nice jacket right there. Oh my god. Yep. Let's move. See the selling basin here. Good hustle outside. Keep moving. Keep moving. So right now guys, we're close to Ad, going to Tanzania. Guys, welcome to Tanzania. So right now I'm going to buy rice. Wow. You can't tell even the vehicle. So they made her. Oh, her. That's the rice. Tutambe. Traiga. Slow. Okay, yeah. So guys, this is some kg, 5 kg, grade 1. Yeah, that's 10 kg. So guys, I came to purchase rice here. Need 5 kg. Maybe it can fit my grandma. You know, kirotano, kirotano. Tim kikon. Segor.
Yes, in kilo.
Tano. So hapo kuna tano. Iko sawa. So we need 5 kg. This is 10. If I could have more money, I could buy 10 kg. 5. Me, I hold the rice at the back because right now this is what I have for my grandma. Bosi.
Kwaje?
Kwa shwari.
Naona nika shopping.
Na shopping tu hapa. Naenda kuona mgoko.
Naenda kuona mgoko. Fresh but tuko pamoja.
Hi. I'm waiting the guy for the motorbike. Actually, he was coming from right there. Can I know Kayoko? Yeah, boss. No ratoro monda ratuna. Guys, sorry for the vernacular language. I'm waiting the guy with my motorbike. Right here. Kasongo, eh, boss? Ah, yeah. This is grade 1? Yes. So let's go. Keep roaring. So right now, guys, where I am right now, it's Kenya. That's my country. Right now, people selling rice even here. But we keep going to the supermarkets. I see tourist vehicle. There you go. Okay, moving. This is border town. Border town for you. Slow. Damn, man. One is supermarket in Herrera. Can I also look to Temerhanun? Okay, guys, I need to put here the helmet. When I make shopping, you see me who I am. Okay, left the helmet here. Okay, take the truck. Let's go. Man, let's see. We start with Majani. Floyd vibe. No pressure. Twende.
Yes, good.
No. My grandma, inapelekea kukomra. Twende hapa. For your mess. So guys, I want to make a little bit shopping for my grandma. Chukua mafuta lita 5. Need the foot. Okay. Come on. Ngao chapa tuko wapi? Huyu ni mdogo. Umeisha? Okay, take salt. Chukua chumvi kubwa huko nyuma. Come on. Guys. Okay, chacha. First take milk. Dada maziwa box ni shilingi ngapi? Ndogo. Okay. Let me see if they have my cash on my pocket. Kini? Temki wa mavere mo. Manene gara.
Moja.
No, take 4. Okay. Okay, come on. This shopping for my grandma, guys. Sorry for that. Never charge me. Take sugar. 1 kg. Take 2. Another one. Okay. Tufanye branda. Okay. Soap. Tachukua. Take you wanna take also soap right now, guys. Penda camera. I think that's all. Usafi kwa usafi uko wapi? Kuna msafi.
Save classic instead of that.
Okay, ongezeana ndani. Okay. Take omo.
Omo toss.
The other ones have never been maintained. And then you came for the next thing. Okay, they give you exact money and then you see what you're going to add next. Guys, it's a surprise by itself. If you're watching these videos, please give a like and also subscribe to my channel. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. And also, I want to buy her for the tissue paper maybe and toothpaste, but I didn't get the flour. So after that, I'll buy flour outside. Wow. So I'm just within here looking maybe for the hand wash soap right now here. Man, I supposed to do a huge shopping for my grandma, but because of money I decided let's do it the small that I have on my pocket, let me support my grandma. I'm telling you. So right now it's to give us the exact remind. Right now I bought some flour here, like 4 pieces for my grandma, and let's see how things go. Kasongo, vipi? So maybe you can put here and then we tie it.
They have already put something good here.
Okay. Okay, Kasongo, take.
Yeah.
Okay.
Songo.
Okay, weka tu kwa pikipiki. I'm telling you. No joke. Gambe chita mere shingi 300. Mamba atotora mogut.
Car.
Eh.
Hey.
So this surprise go toward my grandma.
Hapo itatosha kukaa Kasongo.
Irudishe tu nyuma.
Hapo iko sawa.
Huh? Nakuja. Okay, you tight? Let me bring the helmets. Yes. Guys, this is shopping for my grandma, so stay tuned. Alright guys, our journey continues. So right now we're heading to the shell. We want to put fuel. But right now no money for the fuel. But I'll let off on credit. They will put for me, and then when I come back from Kisi, I will make payment. You know. So this is border town for you. I wanna show you. This is Manchester Highway. Construction everywhere. Oh man. Oh my god. It's out to the sea. That's where I wash my bike. Right there. Hotel, Equity Bank and Cooperative, share the tall building. Man, let's move on. I'm outside. Because of the dust, I need to put this mandiko. You have the KK here. So that's how we go, guys. With my neighbor here. Actually, also he was the part of my family. Can't hide anymore. You know. Go. This is border town for you. We go, man. We go. I wanna pay a visit to my grandma. So probably it's by God's grace. Oh, that's too much. Imagine, we pass Migori, and then we pass Awendo, and finally, it's a long journey by itself. Today, no people complaining, like crying. We are full jacket, helmet, even I hello babe. One hour nikienda inapelekea kwa yangu shopping afu ndo nirudi nitoa hizo hela. Guys, you're fueling here. So right here. No pressure at all for $5. Hii pikipiki ina shida inakunywaga mafuta vibaya. Okay, let's go Kasongo. So right now no pressure. Guys, we keep moving on. there's some places I gonna pay tax. You know, every motorbike vehicle you're gonna pay tax. It's one of the counties that we have here in Kenya. So in Kenya we have 7 counties, and right now I'm past the first county, which is Migori County, and then going to Kisii County. Wow. So I'm going to visit my grandma, and I made small shopping for her, you know. We need to drive slowly because we're passing in town, and we have most congested, maybe jam here and there. You can see this one has not anything, nothing. But when it's going down, you can going down, you see a lot of jam here and there. These are matatu. Let's go. This is one of the counts that we have here, guys. A lot of wind going to my nose. And all in well, let's go. So I was passing for the first county, and then second county, which is Kisii, I'm heading to. Look, be careful, let's go. Look, people are working so hard, you know, to put something on table. We have the life care right now here. It's a nice hospital right here. is a way bridge right here, passing there. So this is Migori town right now. What again? Yeah, you must be very careful. I'm telling you, look at this side and this side. See guys. I'm telling you guys, if you're watching this video, you see what's happened. I'm telling you guys, this will be good for you. Wow. And right here we have the bridge. We have also the River Migori. Look how it's congested. I'm telling you. Look how it's congested at all. Thank you. The roundabout here, and also the count watch right now here. See that one there? We keep moving, guys. It's a long journey by itself. That one, it looks like a mall, Jabari hardware. Let's move. What the fuck I see there? So guys, in Kisii they plant sugarcane, and right now you are in Luo land. So let's go. I have my shopping here. So right now guys, I'm in Luo land, you know. So in Kenya we have so many tribes. So right now you see the reaction, like they share same land. This sugarcane, and right now we're passing here with my grandma shopping. Nothing to be nothing to be hide. Let me go surprise her for the first time. At the same time, man, I had a message from my mama. My grandma, she was totally sick, and I was planning one of this day to go and surprise her, but because of time I was being here, right, left, center, guys. I was going through hard my dream, and sometimes, you know, it's time to get in the mic. Let's go, Kas. Oh my God. So look, huge piece of land, sugarcane. Here, No plantation of maize. Here is sugarcane. Look, that's sugarcane that you see. People are real farmer here. Okay. Let's go straight. And I think this tarmac road have not yet completed. Here we go. Sugarcane plantation. Look. So if you keep going this way, we're heading to Kissy Island. We're heading to Kissy Island. I'm going to visit my grandma. Let's go. My driver here. Guys, construction have been going on here. Passing here. And the bushy. No idea at all. Constructing the road and the man. It's a real village here. Woo! It's dust, man, look! At all, man. Dust! But, oh man, maybe low. My grip also low. Let's go. Pass here. I'm telling you guys, it's long distance from my village up to Kissy. And we pass on bushy. You know, there's a small center here. Even at that time, the road which we passed with Refueling and contractor was not this one. So we find the road have been constructed, the process of constructed. So we're passing on this small market here. But it's daytime, you can't get lost at all. So let's go. Today's today. Tomorrow is another day. So we keep going straight. Go straight. Yeah. So let's go straight. Technically, guys, sometimes I feel so tired. You know, a day like this I can't manage. To come here alone with shopping and whatever. Oh my god. Woo, that truck right there. Look how roads looks like. Very crazy. nice, man. But I need to close. Like that way, guys. You heard my voice? When the dust is coming here. Wow. Look. Sugarcane everywhere. Keep moving. People are building. Guys, I'm so tired. At a time, we get lost and it's dust everywhere. So we have another road going this way. We come from other side, going that way. And right now, the road that we are using initially, it's under construction. So we tried to Google. And right now, my phone went off, like no Google. So should I go this way? Oh, that way, guys. I'm confused right now. Can I get to clear? Can you? What are the words to go to her? Or I think this way. You're so tired? Look how motorbike looks like, guys. Dust everywhere. Look. Look, this dust. Look this guy. Wow. But we almost to complete our mission. Anyway, guys, as you watch this video, please give our video a like, subscribe, like, comment, share. That's the best you can support Hello Baby Official. All the way from my village in border town up to here. And I'm get lost. I need to ask one more. I'm talking a nine. Let's go this way, chat. Me, I think we go this way because I see that hill over there.
Oh, we come back your engi nyuma muri nini here we takubunda. Wow. No,
Me, I think we go this way. Let's go this way.
Wewe kijana. Hii barabara tunaenda ndonyo shuleni. Ndonyo. Hii
Ndonyo. Na hii inaenda wapi?
Mpaka Marewa.
Marewa. Na hii?
Inaenda hivi. Naenda alafu inaenda kumwacha wewe uko kwa barabara. Yaani inaenda hivi.
Na sisi tunaenda Kisii.
Kisii.
Ndonyo. Unaijua Ndonyo?
Ndonyo. Nimejua na lakini sijui nje inaenda.
Guys, we try to ask small kids here. We're so confused. Hii inaenda wapi?
nakumbuka ni ile njia nyingine umeacha huko.
Kwa daraja?
Sio daraja. Imeenda hivi.
Wapi?
Huko nyuma.
Nyuma kabisa?
Sio nyuma. Huko karibu na Kogenya. Umeona signboard ile ya
Kogenya? Tuingie hivi. Na hivi?
Hivi ukienda unaenda kwa kanisa.
Okay. Take a U-turn, bro. It's a tough day, but I will never give up. Thank you for directing us. Thank you, guys. Imagine at a time we ask the small kids, you know, no idea at all. But I'll make sure that I take this shopping to my grandma. It's a huge shopping. Nothing like to be hide anymore. It's a huge. So guys, let's go. Hey, leo. That's that, man. Today's today. We get lost at almost. We ask that guy. That one right there. Anyway, guys, welcome. This is the route or road using going to my grandma. Actually, I'm so tired. So the guy is coming with the motorbike. Wow, right there. Man, let me tell you one thing. I'm so confused going up to that way down. Man. It's crazy. And as long as come slow. Twende juu. That's my grandma shopping. And oh, I feel like to take out my helmet. Oh my god. This is my helmet right here. It's dust everywhere. So I need to surprise my grandma. Woo! Finally, I'm just over here. Anyway, guys, in case you're new here and you don't know where I'm heading to my mom, like to my grandma, mother to my mom, biological mother to my mom. How you been? You see this cow? If you're watching for the first time when I came here, you see this cow. Wow. Let me go and surprise my grandma. She had disability, she can't speak. We use sign and then so on and so on, man. But I'll never charge her. I want to understand her. Okay, just here. Anyway, guys, come. Oh. Acha kwanza niweke chini. Tatira kuyaurwa kabisa. Anyway, guys, that's my grandma. It's okay. Poo. Okay, let's go. Yeah, guys, we finished conversation with my grandma. Guys, sometimes I get lost because the road that we use with David Jr. right now we find it's under construction. Let me put my jacket down. Oh. Okay. Okay, I have my phone here, so you can hold my. Okay. Okay. I'll put my phone here. I'm so tired, man. I'm so tired. I need to surprise my grandma. You see how she was working hard, cutting napier grass, and I had the information. My grandma, she was totally sick. Oh. Yeah. You see the reaction? She looks like my mama, guys. You know, surprising her. You can put down and then show them. No, say get him out. Oh no, guys, I'm telling her you take this all shopping inside the house. We keep it in her bedroom so she can eat slowly. No. Wow, it's so heavy, so heavy, so heavy, man. She was staying here alone. Okay, no grandchildren. Slowly, chat. Okay. Anyway, guys, welcome to my grandma's house. So let me open this small window. Ay, chachita muy gora. Tari mire porongi. Te me solo te hayo kuego se nyuma hano. I'm very hard on what we go. Guys, we have even milk inside, we have everything, you know. Why have more?
Yeah, Papa.
Yeah. Asonge mess here, church. I want some good honor. Asonge mess. Mata amubondori richiko. Oh, my richiko hands. Shani chiyo tacho mohamar. Kidding. Oh, guys. Okay. Let's show my grandma. We love her. All from the village. Tip. Look, guys, huge shopping, but I doesn't have a lot of money to make for her. $100. I love my grandma. Nobody told me to do that. I do free from my heart. And when I came with David Jr., I said, you know what? One day I will surprise her. You see the reaction? A lot. Nothing to be hide. Yeah, she doesn't use the tea leaves. I'm so sorry, and I'm asking her which one did you use. You know, maybe I make some I want to make some mistake. So let her come. I want to show her a lot that I made for her. It's by God's grace. Me, I'm telling you guys, nobody tell me, hello baby, just do it. No. I'm just do it free from my heart, and I use my own money, you know. Wow, let's see what's my grandma using. Oh, sorry. Chocolate. So, okay, I give her the money. she can buy. Let me give her $100 so she can buy this one. So I give you money. Okay. Oh my God, this is my phone. I wanna left her with some coin. Yeah. Okay, she doesn't use tea, and I'm gonna add her 50 shillings for buying more things. This one, okay. You buy this. Put my grandma, guys. Yeah, she told my friend she was the one who tied me when I was here. Okay. Hey. Okay. Okay. Oh, we're nine. Guys, don't charge me. That's my grandma. She can't speak. We're nine. Guys, she told me God bless me when she wakes up. When you are nine?
Mimi wa Mugusu.
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 Unatakeje?
Nimekuja kuongea na huyu mama kidogo.
Kivipi?
Nisaidia na nyanya. Ananisaidia na nyanya.
Nyanya? Okay. I'm telling her. Okay, I get her. Ay, thank you to go answer. To answer opose.
Toma.
Totora mukibogis. I'm telling her in April I will be here with another shopping. You know, although it's far away from my village, but I supposed to do it. Okay. Aya, turichungi. Torobos. Guys, as you watch these videos, let me know in the comment section what do you think about. Put also sugar. So I know what she was using for. Where? You know? You got it. Aye. Okay. Tamotori rungumora. Tempo motor. So let's my friend keep it to my grandma's house. Wow. So guys, it's time to leave at my grandma's place. Oh, we have the dog here. So she was looking. Go bye. Bye. I'm telling in April I'll be here. When I'm gonna get money, I'll be here. I'm telling, when I'm going home, I'll greet my grandma. When you do like this, means lady. When you do like this, means man. Sasa, saya aku dicahenke. Come on. Guys, even at that time, the cow gave the baby calf right here.
calves right here. Hello. This baby calf. It's a new one. Wow. So guys, I'm telling you, no one is here. My uncle is not around here. He went to the capital city of Nairobi working so hard. And even at that time, I feel so mad, man. He didn't come to see her mom or my grandma. Imagine, sometimes I feel so crazy. Look. And that's how my grandma worked so hard. Look, planting maize. And in fact, I love the way she was working so hard. Milking the cow, give them water. Man, sometimes it's crazy. Sometimes it's crazy. Look, say hello. Say hello. You good? Wow, look how the cow is looking so big. And when she harvests maize from here, she keep it this for cow to eat very early in the morning. When right now it's dry season, we can put maybe water, and then this one stock from maize they can eat. I'm telling you, she's working so hard. You see, guys, you see. Hey, okay. Bye. Guys, for sure, I love my grandma. I'm telling you, because it's far away from my village, and I spend, let me tell you one thing, guys. I spent 3 good hours from my village driving because we have a lot of roads inside. Okay. Wow. Wow, this water for the cow to drink. Okay, bye. Yes. Okay, she told us to go this way and then that way. Okay, guys, stay tuned. Maybe I could go and end my video at home with my mama. Stay tuned, guys. Boom. Guys, I'm back home. And let me give my mama a short history. I'm so angry. Okay, mama. Nimetembelea huko. Amekusalimia. I'm telling my mama I visit my grandma, and then my grandma greets you. Yes. Nimepotea njia. Ile njia yenye tuliendeka wamelima. Guys, I'm telling my mama today I'm lost because the road which we are using, the Junior, congrats dad, they're somehow under construction. So get lost, but we manage. We ask, kulizia hadi tukafika.
Ulikuwa na tape?
No. Nilipitia David nikamwambia naenda kusalimia huko. So I'm telling my mama I passed through David Junior. I told him I'm going to greet your aunt, which is my grandma for me. Wow. So anyway, guys, thank you so much. I want to end my videos. Thank you. We shall meet by tomorrow's videos. Guys, bye.